Hey everybody, welcome to my How to Clean Your AirPods video. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to clean your AirPods, so stay tuned. Over the last few months, I've been getting a lot of questions about how to clean AirPods, so I thought I'd make a little video explaining it. To clean your AirPods the way I do, you'll need one thumbtack, a can of compressed air, and a damp lint-free cloth, and possibly one Q-tip. I like to use a thumbtack to gently wipe or scrape the debris and built-up earwax from the AirPods openings. Remember to be very gentle and not to stab or poke at your AirPods with the thumbtack, as this could damage them. I use a thumbtack on all three of the speaker openings, and then I usually look at the microphone input as well. I find it works best if I go slow, light, and easy. Then I like to use the can of compressed air on the case. I find that I get most of the lint and debris that gets into the case from my pants pockets with the can of compressed air. Also, remember to spray out the tubes. So while you're doing that, take a look at the charging contacts in the bottom of the tubes. If there looks like there's still some debris in the charging contacts, I find a Q-tip works pretty well to clean them if necessary. If the dry Q-tip doesn't clean it, then you can dampen the Q-tip a bit and then try with that. If you dampen the Q-tip to clean the contacts, make sure you wait until it's dry to put your AirPods back into the case. Then for the final step, I usually use a damp lint-free cloth, or paper towel, to clean the case and the AirPods themselves. This generally gets all the dirt that accumulates on them over time that seems to manifest in black streaks usually. Once they look clean and shiny again, I double check all of the speaker ports and may do them one more time with a thumbtack, as the dirt from cleaning them sometimes gets pushed into the speaker ports during cleaning. Remember to make sure the AirPods and the case are dry before putting the AirPods back into the case so you don't short circuit or damage them in any way. And voila, your AirPods look like new again. Hope that helped, but if you found a better or different way to clean your AirPods, please share it with us in the comments below. The official Apple website doesn't really give much direction, but this is what's worked for me so far. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech videos, including tech how-tos, every week. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.